Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going through, there's actually 3 parts to the jewellery lot. I thought there was only 2. So today we're going through some statement silver tone jewellery from a job lot. Last week I posted part 1, which was the more smaller pieces out of the job lot, more daintier pieces. These are the chunky pieces that are in that job lot. So let's go through it. And if it's the first time you're watching this video, I'm a vintage jewellery reseller. I resell jewellery on my Etsy shop and my Vinted. Everything's linked below if you're interested in anything you see in my videos. And make sure you're subscribed because I also post what I find on my YouTube channel. Well, most of what I find. I don't post everything, but I'm trying to be better at documenting everything by video on what all the jewellery that passes through my hands and sharing it with you guys. And then also if you guys want to buy anything that I'm selling, you can go into my shops and, you know, go and buy. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, so the first off we're going to start with, these are some chunky, stiff, oh, this one's tangled. So we've got this necklace, which is a very chunky mama. So that goes up there, I think. And then these beads, I think, 3 on each side. Yep, there we go, look. 3 on each side. This is a big statement piece. So yeah, look at this. So yeah, we've got multi-stranded, so we got a good few strands here. And then it's adjustable as well, so this is a little chunker. But yeah, I mean, it's not that heavy considering the size of it, to be honest. It's not that heavy. I mean, it's not light either, so, but it's not like, oh my god, this is going to weigh my whole head down, my whole neck down. But yeah, it's a chunker though. It's a chunker. Interesting, very interesting. Then we've got this bracelet. It's like an adjustable kind of, and it's got all these little bits and bobs on here. So we've got some beads on here. Then we've got some wire wrapped beads here, which is quite pretty. We've got some shell pieces here. Don't know if they're shell or plastic, to be honest. Look like they are shell because of the sheen. But this is quite pretty. You could wear this up your arm, basically. Wrap it around your arm. So yes, is this yeah. So yeah, this is nice. Nice little piece there. And then we've got this, which I quite like. I mean, I'm not into statement jewellery for me to personally wear, but I do like this necklace. This is quite nice. With the right outfit, this could look quite stunning. It's choker style, so and you can adjust it as well. Like this, that's the longest it could be on there, but obviously there's room to adjust this. So that's nice. What is the around the edges? Yeah, so it looks like it's enamel around the edges, and then it's like a brutalist kind of style, like jewellery there. Then we've got this faux pearl necklace. I think it's, what does it say? Does it say here? It's just got 08. No, I don't know what that is. 1981, is it? 1980. So yeah, this looks like it hasn't actually been worn. So it's like that kind of full fluffy kind of look with the faux pearls, some silver, I think that might be stainless steel discs there. It's in quite good condition. Let's just move this up. Move that up. Then we're going to put this here and we're going to pop that here. There you go. Just down a bit. There we go. And then we've got this this like bracelet. It's made out of it feels plasticky, like it's wrapped with like some plastic kind of thing. This is probably not going to be resold. So we're just going to go in like a craft lot, to be honest with you. It's got a matching necklace and they're not in that great condition, to be honest with you. So they may go in a craft lot, I'm not sure. I'm not sure on that. This one's like so long. I'm just gonna put it in my hand. So that's some faux pearls. They've tried to make them look real by doing those little dents, but they're not. Some plastic beads. So yeah, this is like a long kind of chain. It's got a long chain on it. It's on this. Has it got any marks? No, we don't know where that's from. But it looks like, you know, like a Marks and Spencer's, or, you know, something like that, along those lines, type of jewellery. So we'll put that there. And then we have this kind of, I like this actually. This is pretty, like it sits on, you know, the collarbone type thing. This could be quite stunning. It's quite a nice piece. Let's see what it looks like on the back. Yeah. Yeah, stunning. A nice little stunning piece there. Very nice. So yeah, we've got a few little, couple of little nice ones. This one's nice as well. This is like a brutalist kind of look. This is nice. Statement one. This would look quite nice in with a nice top on. Very nice. And then we have this. I think you can double this up, to be honest. Let me just get this in order. Yeah, so this is actually one long thing. I've got like a bracelet with all this on there. But yeah, you can double this up and wear it. I mean, it's in good condition. It's not, you know, could do something with it anyway. I mean, I might just put it in craft though, because I think this could be useful for like crafting. It's so long as well. I think it could be a useful crafting thing. Let me just put that here. We're looking quite busy. Look at all that. Then we've got this. This looks like a navy. This is plastic with just some metal. It's quite long. Yeah, it's not in that great. Yeah, it's okay. It's in sellable condition actually. So yeah. So these pieces are more for this. These pieces will just go on my Vinted. I wouldn't put any of this on the Etsy shop because these are more modern pieces, and my Etsy shop has vintage, is very vintage pieces. So these are all modern, so they'll go on they'll go on the Vinted. So I've just got a group of bangles here, which will just be sold as a lot together. So if anyone, you know, on Vinted, some people like to buy lots, like a bunch of these, so they've just got a bunch to wear when they want to wear some bangles. So yeah, there's, how many bangles were there? About a good 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bangles. That's the gold tone bangle, the rest are silver toned. So that brings us to the end of this epic statement jewellery haul. Some of those pieces are really quite nice, so I think they'll be nice to wear in the spring and summer months with a nice pretty dress or blouse, or, you know, like a low kind of cut top, and then you can show off any statement pieces that you're wearing. And then some of them you can layer with like thinner jewellery as well. And then there's a few pieces that we're just going to pop in a craft lot for somebody to do something fantastic with. So like I said before, all links are below, and I am trying to post weekly videos. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and then you can catch my videos when I post them. I've got another, so next Sunday will be another silver tone jewellery lot, because I'm batch filming, so I know exactly what's going to be in what order. I've planned it all out and it's all here to batch film. So yeah, next week I'm gonna do this last batch of the silver, because it's got a massive silver tone job lot. And in my last video I said there was 2 parts, but there's actually 3 parts. So I'm going to do the 3rd part now, and that's going to go up next week. So I'll see you next Sunday for the last part of this silver tone job lot. And then I'm going to do a video on all the bits that I've recently purchased for my own personal vintage jewellery collection, because that's a thing as well. Not only do I source to resell, I also source for my own collection. So you've got that to look forward to as well. I'm actually quite excited to do that one. That doesn't capture my whole collection. I just thought to do it today because I had put the pieces aside that I'd bought during January and February. So the pieces that I've bought for myself during January and February, I will do a video on the week after next. And then yeah, we've got some good videos coming up, and I'm batch filming them all now, so they're all going to be scheduled and ready. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye bye.